Experience the Thunder Marine difference. With every purchase at our exclusive waterfront dealership, you embark on a journey of unparalleled maritime adventure. Our private marina simplifies your sea trials and boat deliveries, offering direct access to the water. Whether you choose a family-friendly fishing boat, luxury center consoles, cabin, or day cruiser, our extensive range ensures you find the perfect match. At Thunder Marine, we go beyond just selling boats. Our 2 dedicated service centers in St. Pete and Sarasota provide top-notch after-sale support, making maintenance effortless with both land and water-based service options. Join the Thunder Marine family and unlock a world of exclusive boating experiences. From our Ladies at the Helm program, designed to empower women with confidence on the water, to the adventurous Thunder Cruise Club activities, be filled with community and discovery. With Thunder Marine, you're not just purchasing a boat, you're stepping into a lifestyle of adventure and camaraderie. Because it's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle.